Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today what we're gonna do is replace this Fender Liner and this Hyundai Elantra. So if the Elantra look like this, doesn't matter what year it is. I think even though this is probably from 2019 to 2020 or 18 to 2020, one of them one. So once it look like this, guys, doesn't matter the year, gonna be the same procedure. So this right here, normally where front bumper lip or balance, whatever they call it, that's where that goes. Because it's so low to the ground, it's always breaking off. So let's go ahead and replace it. So there you go, guys, this is the part number right here, and it's called a front bumper lip. So it's a lip assembly, or ASSI, that stands for assembly, and it said front bumper, so it's the front bumper lip. In case you want to call the dealer, you can give them your part number, and here you go. So what you got to do is open take it out. So you just want to get it lined up. Each one of these little clips right here have to go hooked in there, so you want to make sure you get it lined up properly, just like that. Once it line up, you can push it in or you can hit it in, but I don't recommend hitting it with your hand. So you do what you want to do, use what you have. Guys, this is a rubber mallet, so it's not going to cause any damage. Something like this work good. So you can see it's seated properly, just like that. So now you guys might be lucky to save your screw that go right here. Let me get some lights. Alright, so right here should have two small screws, one on this side and one on the other side. So if you guys rip this off, so you can see why it always ripped off, because it hangs lower than the bumper or the bottom of the car, I should say. And the compressor won't let me be great, but because it hang lower, when you go over the parking stop, when you try to back out, it normally ripped it off. You probably not notice, and going back and forth, it's just gonna rip it off. So this is how you change it, guys. So honestly, guys, I don't know if these are the right screw for it, but I find some screw and they seems to work good, so I just put them there. And also I noticed I'm missing the lower engine cover, so I'll have to do that later. But I have the fender liner for this side, like I said earlier in the video, so I'm going to show you how to do the fender liner. So you don't have to take your wheel up, but you have to jack the wheel up off the ground. So you have to jack the car up off the ground. I mean, you don't have to take the wheel off, I should say, but you have to take the car off the ground. Just this wheel or whichever wheel you're changing the fender liner on. So you cannot turn it in and out. But I'm gonna take the wheel off. You don't have to take it off, but if you take it off, it's gonna be a lot easier. You don't have to be turning the tire back and forth. So with that said, I'm gonna take the wheel off. So guys, we're gonna take off the tire. It's gonna be 21 millimeter or your lug tool. see with the tire remove, you have a lot of room to work. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we have a clip puller right here. What we're gonna use to remove the clips, because we need to take out this right here. And I know the lighting kind of off, guys, but my GoPro light is broken, so I have to get another GoPro light. It should come today though. But let's keep making videos. So the next step is we're gonna remove these torques. And they're gonna be T30. And that's gonna come down like that. So once that come down, what we're gonna do next is just take out these leaves, make room for the new leaves, I should say. And this one looked like it was in an accident too, so because this don't look factory. But oh well, let's continue what we're doing. So this is the fender liner right here. We're working on the right side, but it's the same procedure for the left side. That's the part number right there. Let's put it up. So I catch one clip already. Just take your time, catch one and two clip right around, and before you know it, it's gonna be staying in place. So guys, we have everything in just like that. Time to put on the tires. I hope you know how to put on your tires, because this is where the video ends. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. Support the channel with the links down below. Peace out. See you next time.